I should look at my phone. Huh. Huh? There's a thunderstorm coming into the northwest. You should get ready. This is a thunderstorm alert. Don't be worried. This is just a shower thunderstorm. Don't be sad. Huh? There's a thunderstorm coming. I need to tell everyone. Chilling, chilling, chilling. Wake up, wake up, wake up. There's a thunderstorm coming. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, Mom, I'm going to sleep. Wait, you said there's a thunderstorm coming? Oh, no. Yes, there's a thunderstorm coming. Come on, pack your bags. I don't think you're telling the truth, Mom. Oh, you always need proof. Look. Fine. But I know you're kind of lying. I still think you're lying. Oh my God, just look. Just look. There's actually a thunderstorm coming. Why did you don't even tell me the truth? Why do you think I am lying? And plus, I never always lie. Just gonna tell your dad and your siblings. Maybe they think I am saying the truth. Oh, fine. Darling, darling, darling. Darling! Huh? What happened? What happened? There's a thunderstorm coming. Huh? Really? I want to see. Oh, really? There's actually a thunderstorm. I'm gonna pack my bags. Don't worry. I'm gonna tell the other kids. Okay, I'm gonna pack my bag. Jacob, darling, you should pack your bags. There's a thunderstorm coming. Really, Mom? Yes, there's actually a thunderstorm coming. You wanna see proof? Come on. Just believe on me. You know, Mom, sometimes you're always gonna lie about your phone. And plus, you're always gonna lie. No, I do not. I never lie, darling. You want to see proof? Yes, Mom. Oh, fine. Here. There's actually a thunderstorm coming. So you need to pack your bags immediately. Oh, no. I'm gonna pack my bags. Okay. Be quick! We're going to the basement. Don't worry. Where we're gonna stay again? The basement! Come on, just chop. Oh, I need to pack my bags again. I really don't want to, but I need to pack my bags. I guess these clothes, maybe these clothes are good, I guess. And plus, I don't actually think there's real thunderstorm coming. And I think I saw a shower, but I don't really think Mom is really saying that truly, but I will still believe on Mom. Otherwise, I'm dead. I need to be quick. I need to bring books. Be quick. There's almost gonna come. Just be fast, darling. Okay, Mom. Don't be worried. Okay. Go. I'm just gonna tell your sister. Go. Okay, Mom. Don't be worried. So, did you pack your bags? Come on. Come on, darling. There's almost gonna come. Don't worry. It's just a shower. Okay, I'm gonna just pack our bags. Kids, come on! Where we're going again? At the basement. And I still think you're lying. Oh, we're not going to Grandma. I'm just gonna pack my bags. Oh my. Come on. There's no time to pack. Come on. Hey, Mom, I won't pack my bags anymore. there's a thunderstorm. Come on, Mom. We need to go in the basement. So how can I open this? So I'm just gonna tap it. Oh, there we go. The light was flickered. Close the door. Pick your seats. I call this one. Oh, there's actually a bed. Okay, just sit down already, guys. Okay, I called this one. And I call this one. I'm just gonna sit right here. The light was closed. Oh, that close, there's some food. It turned night. Oh, that close, we came here fast. The lamp was opened. That close, there's light again. Oh, there we go. Now it's bright here. Ooh, there's a book. I'm gonna read this. This book was interesting. Huh? Look, Mom, there's something said how to survive a thunderstorm. First, you need to have food. Second, you need to have... And you need to go to the safest room. She flipped the page. And you need to call help, especially if you're in the beach. Near the beach. Oh, that's strange. We're actually in the beach. I mean, near the beach. Huh, that's weird. Ah! Mommy! Mommy! Oh no. That was scary. The light was flickered many times until it opened. Okay, just everyone calm down and let's just confess before we die. That's over, Mom. Okay, let's just sit just one another. They all calm down. I'm just going to sleep. I need to just sit here. This book was so interesting. I don't want to read it anymore. Oh, I'm just gonna get s'mores. The TV was opened. We can actually watch TV. Oh, good. Come on, guys. The light was closed. Let's just watch a movie. Oh, let's just sit down. Yeah, we need to sit down. What movie should we watch, Mom? I don't know, like horror? No, I don't want horror anymore. That's traumatizing. Yeah. I'm sick of tired of any horror movie. I'm just going to sleep. Look, Emily took a nap. Let's just watch a movie. I'm just gonna eat this. Let's just watch a movie, I guess. They watch Aquaman. Part 2 of Aquaman. Ooh, I love this movie. It's kind of interesting. Wow. Pretend Emily didn't. Haha, you thought I was sleepy. I was watching the whole time again. Wow. I love this movie so much. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I never watched this movie ever. I wish the thunderstorm never happened. And I kind of like this movie so much. I'm kind of hungry. They watch a movie for a long time. Let's just guys take a nap. I'm really tired and we need to go to sleep. But Mom, we're not just done with Aquaman. Aquaman, what are you talking about, guys? Did I miss anything? We just watched Aquaman, and I guess you missed that. Oh, why didn't wake me up? And if you're gonna wake me up, I'm gonna mad too. I'm just tired, Mom. I really want to go to sleep. Oh wait, I didn't even know our dog was here in the whole time in the basement. I was looking for this. Oh, this is so sour. Oh my god. I'm kinda hungry. I'm just gonna eat this. And I think I'm just gonna eat this sushi, I guess. Is it the sushi? But it's not yummy. Ooh, I really love this Pop-Tart. They closed the bed. They all gone to sleep for a long time. It's morning. The TV was opened automatically. They woke up. Huh? Everyone, attention. The thunderstorm is already good. There's no more thunderstorm or rain, but there's sometimes showers. Don't be alert. There's no more thunderstorm this month. Yes, there's no thunderstorm anymore. We're not gonna live in the basement. So, hi guys, this is the new season of Tokaboka Life. And you wanna know the name? First one is the mom with the glasses. Her name is Leslie. And the dad with the pajamas still on. His name is Jackson. The little girl over there, her name is Emily. The little boy over there, his name is Jacob. And the older sister is Chilene. And if you know why six is the grandma. This is the family of 6. And I hope you like this video. And this is the family of 6. But I hope you like this video, and welcome to the new season of Family of 6. Bye guys.